Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this really comfy and swiveling, as you can see over here, this Papasan chair that this brand sent to me for this video. It's actually really comfortable. It's indoor, not outdoors. It's indoor, so make sure that you know the difference between this one and the other models they have for outdoors. This one is going to be indoors. But then I want to say that this one, it is, besides being really comfy, it is super cushioned and it supports 400 pounds. So even with the swiveling, supports 400 pounds. So this is kind of like really good for like, I want to say like a corner, for example, like an accent chair or something like that. But also if you want, you can do it kind of like as a decoration in your office or in your bedroom, or even right here where my TV is, just to have a secondary set. It's actually pretty comfy, really nice and well cushioned, well padded. Of course, you can remove the whole thing and just take a look at this one. How big, how heavy, and how cushioned this one is. Oh, this is actually pretty heavy. This is going to be the structure right here. As you can see, that's the base and everything with all the junctions and all the kind of like the bolts and the screws and everything that's going to make it to be really firm. But let's take a closer look actually. Okay, you can see a little bit better now and how well cushioned this one is, how well padded. And of course, that is going to be really comfy for kind of like, again, like a conversational section or an accent chair or something that you're going to use just for a couple hours or a few hours, like watching TV or something like that. You can then kind of like manage this one to change the position so you can actually let it breathe a little bit and let it kind of like accommodate to another person. So that is also really good, that it's not tied or fixed to the actual chair. But so far so good. I love this little kind of like corner right here that I can create for myself, and just like for one person being really comfy right here. 400 pounds, swiveling, easy assemble, and really comfortable as well.